Welcome back to the Power-Tec Nitrogen Plastic Welding series, headlamp mounting lugs and brackets. Even a minor bump can break off or fracture a headlamp mounting lug, and a modern headlamp unit is expensive. Secure the broken off lug in its original position with a hot staple. With the clear edges of the headlamp protected with foil, weld in filler rod material to support and strengthen the lug. Smooth off the still soft material, then remove the staple. The repaired lug is as strong as it ever was. And the headlamp unit can now be reassembled and made ready for use. Back to repairing panel damage in the fifth and final video of our Power-Tec Nitrogen Plastic Welding series. Make sure you don't miss it.